Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be swatching this super cute nail polish set by DNC Color Studio Cosmetics. This set was given to me by my dear friend T. Thank you so much, T. This set has 6 nail lacquers, and I think the collection name is Sleek and Chic. I think this is a Christmas ornament nail polish set that you can hang on your Christmas tree. And I'm super loving that its box is holographic. Now let's open it. And here they are. We have Enchantment, Runway, Moonstone, Glitz, Red Velvet, and Glamour. Now let's swatch these nail lacquers. But before all of that, I'm applying my favorite peel-off nail mask first. Let's first swatch Enchantment. I'm already loving the first coat, but let's apply a second coat. Enchantment has a super gorgeous silver metallic shade that's so easy to apply and it wasn't streaky. And you can see how smooth its metallic finish. Next is Runway. Now for the second coat. Runaway has a really eye-catching shade of rose gold. Loving the application of this one too. Then we have Moonstone. Now let's apply the second coat. Moonstone has a vibrant red shade with gold shimmer. Then we have Glitz. I'm applying it over a sheer pink base. Then I'm also sponging it onto my nail. Glitz has a clear base with different sizes of gold glitters. The next shade to swatch is Red Velvet. Now for the second coat. Red Velvet has a grayish nude shade that has a shimmer finish. And the last shade to swatch is Glamour. I'm applying one coat on a sheer pink base. Then I'm sponging it onto my nail. Glamour has a clear base with different sizes of holographic glitters. And here are all of my swatches. These shades are super pretty and I'm loving that they're not streaky at all. I applied them onto my nails so smoothly and they have this gorgeous shiny effect. It dries super fast and the packaging that comes with it is super adorable. Once again, thank you so much, T, for sending this to me. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!